that's red. She's got the spiciest smile, so bright. Cooking with Judith right by my side. By my side. Chop, chop, sizzle, frying pan heat. From pancakes to a fancy feast. Cooking with Judith, fun to say the least. The least.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. And with the beautiful weather we've been having the past couple of days, it's time for a cookout. Unfortunately, with the traffic noise in my yard, cooking outdoors, although it's doable, it's not filmable because all you'll hear is traffic. So, cooking indoors for my cookout. We're gonna have hot dogs. So I have some all beef wieners for the kitties, European sausages, and pork sausages, smoked pork sausages, and a selection of buns. Got some lovely hot dog buns, a nice little French baguette, and they're soft, they're not crunchy, and of course the Wonder Bread buns for the kitties. And one of these is going to become a special surprise. And a nice crusty roll for the smoked pork. So that's a selection of mustard, grainy mustard, yellow mustard, of course ketchup. We're going to have some diced raw onions and some crispy fried onions. So since all the sausages are all fully cooked, they really just need warming through. But we're going to do them in a few ways. As I said, one of these buns is going to be for a wonderful surprise for the kitties. And that's going to use one of the beef sausages as well. Pretty sure the European sausages are going to go in the French baguette. And the smoked pork in the lovely crusty bun. So to cook them, like I said, one of these is going for a special surprise in one of those. And you'll find out how that's going to be cooked in a bit. The other two are just going to be boiled, like regular hot dogs. And the other two buns will be steamed on top of the pot that's boiling the wieners. And for these ones, for the big kids, they're going to be grilled. But before we get started, I forgot to mention, for the European wieners, I also have sauerkraut. Or maybe that'll go on the pork. We'll find out when we get there. See who wants one. But I love sauerkraut. Let's get started. So this is the surprise for the kiddos. We've got one hot dog bun, some mayo, and some cheese. Now this is something my mom used to make for us when we were little, for our lunch. Yes, we walked to school. I don't actually remember coming home for lunch first, but I think we must have. My sister also makes this for her kids, or has made this for her kids in the past. She calls it a canoe. I don't remember what Mom called it. I don't think it was canoe, but it could have been. Anyways, mayonnaise in your bun. And Mom used just white bread. Not sure if it was her homemade bread, or I don't think actually at the time she was making bread. So it's probably store-bought. She may have been. To be honest, I was young enough that I really don't remember. I would have to consult my sister on that one. So, cheese. My mom used cheddar. I am using, it's called a Tex-Mex mix, which is cheddar, Monterey Jack, and mozzarella. Then, onto a piece of foil. Get your hot dogs in there. And we're going to wrap it up. And you do want to leave it open at the top. And Mom would do these, like I said, with a slice of white bread in a muffin tin. They were so good. And the corners on the bread were toasty and wonderful. So now this is going to go in the oven at around 325, 350 until the cheese is melted and everything's nice and toasty. So a little more cheese covering up these guys. We want lots of cheese. It's so much fun. Almost forgot to mention, once it's all nice and melty and toasty, turn on the broiler for a minute and get it all bubbly and brown. Okay, so little kitty one in the oven. Now I'll turn that off because I don't need it quite yet. Grill is heated. Don't forget, when cooking the European wieners and the pork sausage, and they are already cooked, you're just warming them, poke holes in them because otherwise they're going to explode. Oh, and the wieners that I got, and I said they were all beef, I was wrong. They are pork wieners. I was looking for the bulk wieners. You know, the ones that are individually wrapped in plastic, may come in long strings like sausages, but each wiener is wrapped with a plastic and might have words on them, usually blue, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what Mom used, but I could not find them. I went to several stores, nothing. I guess they're just not so popular anymore. But they would have been pork wieners. Now, the question is, do you like your buns toasted or steamed? If you want your buns toasted, we're going to toast them. If you want them steamed, we're going to steam them. So I have one of the Wonder Bread buns is going on for toasting, and one of the other ones. These I bought at a bakery. The crusty bun, I'm not going to do anything with. It's crusty. I don't want it steamed to lose the crusty. I don't want to toast it to make it even more crusty. So I'm going to just do it as it is. So now we just have to watch things, wait for the sausages to warm through, and we will put our wieners in the hot water. And in a few minutes we will put the other buns, well, bun, on top so it steams. But we don't want to do it that yet because we don't want to make it soggy. So I think we're organized. So we have some nice toasty buns. Now we're going to get some steamed ones going. And our treat in the oven is about ready for the broiler. So let me take a look. Ah, it's getting nice and melty. So let's hit it with the broiler for just a few minutes. So this will only take a couple of minutes, and our sausages are looking lovely. Checking to see if they're cooked. Oh, and bun has to go on to steam. Okay, we're almost ready. Oh, and I did check with my sister. She does not remember what Mom called that little treat either. She called them canoes because she makes them with hot dog buns for her kids. And she remembers Mom making them with hot dog buns. I sort of remember that, but I mostly remembered white bread slices in a muffin tin. So, not really a big issue, but shows you how memories differ, even between two people in the same family. experiencing the same things. So, cook out. Hot dogs. Smoked pork sausage, European sausage, pork wiener on a toasty bun, pork wiener on a steam bun, and the treat, the canoe. Where do we want to start first? Let's go with the canoe first. This was one of my favorite lunches. Although I don't remember Mom making it with a bun. She made it with bread, sliced bread. My sister says she remembers the bun, so we'll go with the bun. I need a knife. Okay. Let's have a little notch here. Oh, I missed this. And of course, if you want, you can put some ketchup or mustard on it. And great memories. So let's put that aside. Go here. So, hot dog on a steamed bun. That one needs some raw onion. Of course, if you're a child, you probably don't want raw onion on it, but when I get this, when I'm in the mall and have serious hunger, I stop. I just grab a quick hot dog with some onion, little mustard. Ooh, aren't you friendly? And maybe some ketchup. I don't usually bother with ketchup, but ooh, that was way too much. Wait. Stop. Yeah. I like mustard better than ketchup, so I'm just going to scrape some of that off. Okay. Yeah, that's the food court hot dog. Okay, the one with the toasted bun. My bun kind of came apart, but that's okay. And we're going to do just a little bit of mustard. Let's see if it will behave this time. There we go. And some crispy onions. Some fried onions. There we go. Honestly, you could do with some ketchup and raw onions as well. So we just scrape off the other one, throw it on there. An elevated mall hot dog. And now we have the European wiener, which I want to do with, yeah, let's go for a little bit of sauerkraut. Come on, up the fork, please. There we go. I don't want a whole lot. Just enough to give it some flavor. Question is, what kind of mustard do I want? Yellow, Dijon, or grainy? I think I want to go with Dijon. Okay, let's get a little Dijon mustard here. Don't want a whole lot. Dijon can be fairly hot. Okay. And it's on a nice toasty bun. But there's something missing. I think we need some raw onion. last but not least, our pork sausage. This is actually a European pork sausage. We're going with the grainy mustard. Oh, it smells so good. There we go. And raw onion. And this one might actually be nice with the sauerkraut as well. Well, let's find out after a bite. And this is the nice crusty roll. I can't even bite. There's so much there. Now that we can see the sausage, let's get a bite of that. Oh, that is a good sausage. Get some of that bread out of the way because that's a lot of bread. Oh, so good with the raw onions. Sauerkraut might be good on it as well, but right now I'm having an overload of flavor. So good. So many ideas for hot dogs. And especially, don't forget to give the kiddies a treat and do a canoe. It's just a fun little way to make the kiddies happy. And who doesn't like a nice hot dog piece covered in cheese? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again soon with a new video.